Hi, today we're going to continue working with larger numbers. Today we're going to count by ones to 120. So on page 401, we start with the story, Jada and Alex take turns counting by ones. Jada counts from 98 to 100. 98, 99, 100. Now it's Alex's turn to keep counting. Write the next three numbers Alex should count. Tell how you know you're right. So we have 98, 99, 100. What comes next? 101, 102, 103. So our next three would be 101, 102, 103. All right, let's turn the page to 402. This block shows 100. You say 100 for this number. The next number you say is 101 because you have 100 and 1. When you count forward, you keep counting by ones. So we keep adding one more. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. 105 means 105 ones. You say 105. When you count higher, you start with the word 100. So 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. All right, let's count forward by ones. Write the numbers. So we start at 116. So the 100 is there, and then what comes after 16? 17. So 117, 118. Then we put the 100, and then we have 19. 100, what comes after 19? 20. 120. Now, number 2, we're talking about the hundreds, so we have a 100. What comes before 10? 9, but this is tricky. If I just put a 9, that's going to put the number 19. What I need to say is 100, 0 tens, and 9 ones. 109. 110, 111, 112, 113. Now, number 3 down here is practicing with these numbers that need the 0 in the tens because these numbers are smaller than 10 after the 100. So we have 104. Now we have 105, but I need to put a 0 in there because I don't have enough for tens. 105. 100, a 0, then the 6, 106, 107, 100, 0 tens, 8 ones, 108. Number 4, you can go ahead and pause the video and do numbers 4 through 9 if you would like, or you can stay with me and we'll work through them together. Number 4, count forward by ones. So here we have 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. Oh, number 5 goes down to the tens, so we're just looking at 50. So 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All right, number 6. We're missing one in front. So what would come before 94? Well, it's still going to be 90. What number comes before 4? 3. So 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So notice how the ones go in order. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7's tricky because we have these numbers that need the 0 tens. So 100 is the same. 0 tens. What number comes before 2? 1. So 101, 102, 103, 100, we need the 0, 4, 100, we need a 0, 5, 105. Number 8, here we have 115. We're going to have to work backwards. So let's count backwards. 15, 14, 13, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. So we're getting lots of practice now playing with numbers and moving back and forth. Number 9, we start in the 60s. So 67. So we have 68, 69, and now we have to switch. What comes after 69? 70. All right, and then 71. Number 10. Ooh, use the clues to find the mystery number. Woohoo. All right, clue 1. The number comes after 116. Clue number 2. The number comes before 120. The mystery number might be. All right, so let's look. What comes after 116? 117, 118, 119, and the next one would be 120, but our clue says it comes before 120. So these are the 3 numbers that might work. After 116 and before 120. These are the only 3 that fit in there. Clue number 3. The number has 8 ones. Which one of these has 8 ones? That's not 8. There's an 8. That's not an 8. So our mystery number is 118. Number 11. Clue number 1. The number comes before 108. The number comes after 102. Well, I'm going to start with the after one because that's easier to go from the smaller number to the bigger number. So 102, what comes after that? 100, 0 tens, 3 ones. 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. So remember, it has to be after 102 and before 108. So here are our answer choices. Clue number 3, the number has 5 ones. Which one of those has 5 ones? Right here, 105. All right, let's turn to page 404. Marta is counting to 120. She says the number that is 1 more than 113. What number does she say? What would come right after 113? 114. So that 4 will come after the 3 ones. 114. In this chart, Tom writes the numbers 102 to 108 in order. Then he spills water on it. Some numbers rub off. Help Tom fill in the missing numbers. So we have 102, 103. Notice we have to have the zeros in there. 104, 105, 106, 107, 107, 108. So notice the ones are going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 14, Shelley counts 109 bottle caps. Then she counts 4 more. How many bottle caps has Shelley counted? So she starts with 109, and then we're going to count 4 more. So I'm going to draw 4 little bottle caps, and let's count up as we go. 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. Now she has 113 bottle caps. So we start with our number and we count on. Number 15, pick a number greater than 99 and less than 112. Write the number in the box. Okay, so number greater than 99, so that would have to be in the hundreds, right? 100 something, less than 112. So I'm going to pick 107. 107, because it's more than 99, 7 is less than 12. Then write the 3 numbers that come before it and the number that comes after it. So let's work backwards here. 107, this would be 106, 105, 104, because we had to go backwards. 7, 6, 5, 4. So 104, 105, 106, 107, and then what's higher than that? 108. Number 16, which shows the correct order for counting forward by ones. So we're going to see if there's a mistake, and if there's a mistake, we're going to cross it off. 103, 104, 105, 102. Does 2 come after 5? No, so that one's wrong. How about this one? 117, 118, 119, 120. If we ignore the hundreds, let's count 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, that one is all in order. Let's try this one. 101, 102, 103, 104. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that in order? Yes, it is. So 2 of those work so far. 114, 112. 14, 12. That doesn't come in the right order, so that is not correct. All right, it is time for you to do the homework on page 405, 406. When you're done, please come back and we'll check the answers. This one says, count forward by ones. Write the numbers. 105, 106, 107. Number 2, we have 110 in the middle. 109, 110, 111. Go ahead and check your answers. Page 406, start at 118, count forward. What are the next 2 numbers? 118, 119, 120. Start at 111, count forward. What are the next 2 numbers? 111, 112, 113.